Hey there. Today I'm diving into self-care tips for women with chronic conditions. Self-care is the lifeblood of emotional resilience, especially when you're managing chronic conditions. First up, establishing a healthy sleep routine is crucial. Research shows that nearly 62% of adults experience sleep problems several nights a week. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Here are some proven strategies to help you sleep better. Wake up at the same time daily, weekends included. Lower your lights 30 minutes before bed. Keep screens and blue light away when bedtime approaches. Set up your bedroom to be peaceful, quiet, and cool. Skip caffeine after noon, and add calming activities to your bedtime routine. Next, let's talk about creating a balanced nutrition plan. Good nutrition helps manage chronic conditions effectively. Studies show that the DASH diet can improve blood pressure within 2 weeks. Focus on these core nutritional components: whole grains and vegetables, lean proteins and low-fat dairy, heart-healthy fats from nuts and oils, and limit sodium and added sugars. Remember, processed foods account for 70% of our sodium intake, not table salt, so home-cooked meals are key. Moving on, incorporating gentle exercise into your day plays a significant role. Low-impact exercises can benefit you a lot, putting minimal strain on your body. Recommended activities include walking, keep 1 foot on the ground. Swimming gives a full body workout without joint stress. Gentle yoga helps with balance and flexibility. Stationary cycling provides cardiovascular benefits. And Tai Chi builds strength and balance. Research shows that a daily 30-minute walk can improve your mood and overall health. Start slowly and increase your activity levels gradually, paying attention to your body's signals. Finally, here's a morning routine checklist to kickstart your day. Wake up at a consistent time. Practice gratitude. List 3 things you're grateful for: gentle stretching or yoga, healthy breakfast. Review daily goals. Remember, self-care is all about building a strong foundation for your health and well-being. Take small steps, listen to your body, and prioritize yourself. You've got this. Take care and see you next time.